Pad Thai, fried rice noodles. It is one of Thailand's national dishes. It is quite popular at Thai restaurants and street food vendors in Thailand. In this video, we will be cooking Pad Thai. You will need noodles. An Asian grocery store should have them. Rice noodles are what you need. You will need to moisten the noodles so they look like this. 260 gram, 8.81 ounces, measured in moist condition. Sweet radish. From an Asian grocery store, 45 gram, 1.59 ounces. Peanuts. Grind them using a blender, 25 gram, 0.88 ounces. Tofu. Buy it from an Asian grocery store, 50 gram, 1.76 ounces. There are different variants of tofu. The soft ones are best for this dish. 2 eggs. Prawns, 10 units. Bean sprouts. Buy these from most grocery stores. Use how much you want. Pad Thai sauce, about 3 tablespoons. Sugar, 1.5 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. It looks like this. We will quickly go over on how to moisten the noodles. In some brands, the noodles will come in bundles. Just release the band around the bundle. Put the noodles into the water, submerging it completely. Let it stay for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the noodles should be soft and ready. Heat up the cooking pan. Cooking oil, about 2.5 tablespoons. Tofu. They take longer to cook and should go in first. We will get the tofu to a golden brown color before we add other ingredients. This should take about 1 minute. Pad Thai can be quite healthy depending on what you have as ingredients. Keep stirring the tofu to avoid it getting burnt. Prawns. Keep stirring until the prawns get to a reddish color. This should take about 1 minute. If you fry the prawns for too long, they will get tough in the texture. The prawns are getting a reddish color. Also, the tofu is getting golden brown color. Sweet radish. Rice noodles. Lower down the heat just a little. Pad Thai is a popular dish among Thai people. It's easy to cook and to eat. This dish originated from Thailand. It is a flavorful dish. Pad Thai sauce. Lower the heat. We are using ready-made Pad Thai sauce for convenience. Pad Thai sauce is made of tamarind, fish sauce, palm sugar and garlic. Sugar. You can add more sugar if you prefer more sweetness. Though you will get sweet flavor from the sauce as well. Egg. Make an open space in the middle of the cooking pan. Cover the egg with the noodles. The second egg will be added later. Taste the food. The sauce should take care of most of the flavor, but if you need more flavor, add more sugar and soy sauce. Soy sauce, add a little water to soften the noodles a little more. Egg. As before, make room in the middle of the cooking pan for the egg. Increase the heat a little to fry the egg. Pad Thai is quite famous in Thailand. When you are in Thailand, you need to try Pad Thai. Prawns are usually used for Pad Thai. Pork is also good, but best are prawns. Bean sprouts. You can turn off the heat now. Also, add some spring onions for decorations. There. You can eat Pad Thai with cucumber, grinded peanuts, lime. Just squeeze it on the food. Spring onions, cilantro, dry chili, you can buy it from an Asian grocery store. Add some decoration, like these carrots here.